So we want to change the way manual compounding is done. And we've shown in a study that we can be 4 times faster with the processes that we have created. And I want to highlight that 3D printing as such, or whether it's called blister filling or extrusion directly into packaging, itself, it doesn't solve a problem for the compounding pharmacist. It's a complete workflow, it's a complete process. All the steps have to be in place. The technology of Curify Labs supports multiple dosage forms, as you can see in the picture. And let's jump into how it actually works. So we also like to say it's inspired by 3D printing because it's not solely 3D printing. It's also liquid dosing, liquid handling, and so on. But we do create often 3D structures. So in that sense, it also can be considered as a 3D printing technology. So our offering for pharmacies is kind of fourfold. We have the proprietary pharmaceutical excipient basis, a software platform, robotics and 3D printing, and integrated quality control. And the end result is these standardized dosage forms from tablets to capsules, and you can even dose ointments or dispersible films and so on. Even if we offer these proprietary pharmaceutical excipient bases, our system, we don't force our customers to use them. It's fully possible to use other ingredients in our machine as well, or find the right parameters in the system. But we have learned that pharmacies are busy and they should be concentrating on the patients, not tweaking parameters in a printer. So we have wanted to come with a plug-and-play digital compounding platform for pharmacies. And in the core of everything is our formulation library, which is growing day by day. You can see here what type of data there is for our customers. We have the human formulations, for instance, and we build in our laboratory quality dossiers for each formulation, so the pharmacists can rest assured that if they use the batch protocols provided, they get the stability data, they get the cleaning validation data, they get the solution profiles and process validations of these. For instance, here, spironolactone, 9-month stability. And this is what we do for every formulation in the library.